Dr.
Hello, boys and girls in HO Scare Slot Car Land. All of you HO Scare Slot Car boys and girls on the internet. I am Dr. Stunderjet. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to demonstrate a small layout with the bridge track and the bridge support. As you can see, it's not frightfully difficult, but that's what it looks like when it's assembled aus dem Weg, yeah? So we have two cars and two controllers, and my lovely assistant Wunderliebchen is going to help us race today to demonstrate, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Much fun you will have, yeah?
Yeah.
So you have a terminal track, you have two turns here, one turns in the corner, this other turn here, two turns over there, then the two bridges. All of them are 9-inch track, except this one here, yeah? That is a 7 and a 5. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. And the good thing about this, one of the reasons why we have the bridge like this, you can see that there's a space missing. That is for the other track if you want to make it a 4-lane track, yeah? Pretty cool. I think it is very cool. If there's any question, please feel free to leave comment where it says comment section, yeah? Where you put the comments in, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Well, everyone have a good day. God bless you. And always be safe in everything you do. We'll see you next time.
Dr.